Hey everyone, it is Monday. I'm Jenny J, and today I want to talk about a few ways that you can eliminate your belly bloat. Sometimes a lot of women and men tend to carry a lot of fat around their midsection, and there's many different reasons why we might carry extra fat in our midsection. It can be due to high cortisol levels. Basically, if you're stressed, we tend to carry a lot of fat there. It can mean that you're just simply bloated, or you eat a lot of high sodium food or high salty foods that is making you carry extra water weight, which makes you look a little puffy. And my personal mission for my personal fitness goal right now is to help eliminate some of my stomach fat. I tend to carry my extra fat in my belly. And just this last week, I'm like, you know what? I am going to put 100% effort into eliminating this belly bloat because I always have it and I've never liked it. And so I'm going to be doing a few different things starting this week to see if it helps with that struggle that I have. And so hopefully by sharing what I'm doing, you can do the same thing for yourself. Number one, just so you guys know that you can't spot reduce. So if you just want to lose fat in your arms or just lose fat in your belly or your legs, your body doesn't work that way. You have to lose body fat in general in order to lose fat in that specific area that you want. However, when it comes to belly bloat or just bloating in general, there are a few things that you can try to do to kind of detox your body and eliminate that inflammation. So the number one thing that I'm going to be focusing on this week is to truly eat real food. And I mean, I'm on week 2 of our 21-day clean eating challenge, my F Diets Let's Thrive challenge. And some processed food has snuck in there the first week. I wasn't perfect, and I don't expect myself to be, but I am trying every single day to just focus on eating real food and eliminating any processed food. And that means energy bars, that means date balls. You know, there's like pre-made snacks that are healthy for you that you can find at Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, but it's just better to eat real food because we tend to just carry excess weight, excess fat, and start to eat more artificial ingredients due to processed foods. So I'm going to be focusing on eliminating processed foods entirely, just focusing on real food, which means I have to prep. I have to take some more time out of my day to make sure that I have healthy snacks on the go and prep all of my meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The second thing that I'm trying to reduce or eliminate is added sugar. And this is from natural sugars found in fruit, as well as those artificial sweeteners like stevia, protein powders that have artificial sweeteners. Just limit my fruit intake in general. Fruit is obviously a great alternative to like candy and soda and all those yummy baked goods, but I'm going to try to take it a step further and eliminate my fruit intake. So I do have a protein shake right here, and I just put half a banana, and I'm going to try to, I'll probably eat the other half of the banana later today, but that's like the only fruit I'm going to have for the rest of the day. And then I'm just going to focus on protein, vegetables, healthy carbs, healthy fats, stuff like that. So that's another thing that I'm going to be trying to focus on this week. The third thing that I will be doing is I'm going to be adding ginger tea or peppermint tea late at night. And I researched that, and it helps to improve your digestion. It helps to improve like the elimination process, so you can try to get rid of things out of your body. It's just a natural detoxifier. And I heard that it also curbs like those late night cravings. So I tend, like when I'm being like fun and living my 80-20 lifestyle, I eat Halo Top at night, or I'll eat, I don't know, some kind of sweet late at night, but instead of that habit, I'm going to replace it with drinking a tea. And that has been helping a lot since I've been starting that for the last 2 days. So I'll also be doing that. The fourth thing that I'm gonna be doing is obviously just drinking tons of water. Water is obviously an amazing natural detoxifier, so continuing to do that. The fifth thing is increasing my NEAT. NEAT stands, I don't know what the T stands for, I'm forgetting, but it's non-exercise activity. And that means like standing around, that means fidgeting, that means doing laundry, things that aren't, they're not intentional fitness, it's not intentional exercise. So just trying to move more throughout the day. So taking some walks every 45 minutes to an hour, stretching a little bit more, doing some more errands, you know, parking a little bit farther from the store and just walking, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, just doing very simple things that's going to help me burn more calories throughout the day. And then add just a little bit more low intensity, steady state cardio, such as walking for an hour, or, you know, me and my boyfriend are trying to get out of the house more in general, just because the sun is out longer, so we want to enjoy being outside. So just adding walks a little bit more is really helping to help just, you know, burn excess calories and get into that fat burning zone to help me shred some of that belly fat. I think I'm missing like other things that I'm doing, but that's basically it. So the major thing that I really am trying to focus on is eliminating processed foods, decreasing the amount of sugar that I'm eating, continuing to focus on drinking tons of water, increasing my NEAT, just walking around, standing up more, stretching, all that stuff, and drinking a peppermint or ginger tea late at night to reduce my late night cravings. So I hope that maybe you can take one or two of those tips if you struggle with belly bloat. And try it out, see if it works for, you know, the next 2 or 3 weeks, and let me know if it helps you, and I will be sure to update you guys on my progress. But so far I'm feeling really good. This is, I would say, like day 2 or 3 of starting to implement these new habits. So comment below if you have some tips that have helped you, and I will let you guys know of my update in, I don't know, a few weeks. All right, have a good Monday, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.